everybody, it's Jenn in Kanata. Tomorrow is the 1st of October, and on a bunch of the YouTube groups I'm on, everybody's talking about Vlogtober. So, I think I'm going to jump on that bandwagon as well, and aim to set out a vlog, a video, or do a live stream every day of October. And that will hopefully help me get more focused on getting things done and out there in a timely fashion, and also connect more with you guys. So feel free to comment below of video topics that you'd like to hear from me on. Maybe some crafts, maybe some cooking videos, maybe, let me know. So comment below on what you think is a good idea. And I hope to see you on my live streams. I tend to do them Mondays. I do the Monday mornings, sometimes with Angie Nicholas, which I'll put a link to her channel as well, which I'm going to be doing that tomorrow on October 1st. As long as nobody's sick, we're good. And also I tend to do live streams Wednesday afternoons. I'm unsure about this week as I'm babysitting, so I don't know if I will be available. But I will definitely be putting out a vlog or a video that day for sure. So come with me and see what we're going to do. Bye, friends!